So the babies can now fly. That is Yule. I don't want him flying out though. Now, let's see, this looks like, don't you get in there. No, don't you bite me. Okay, so I can't sit and watch the babies because Nala is a brat. Come on. Come on. Yes, step up. Come get on my arm. Yes, that is Yule. That looks like... Yep, get on my shoulder. Good bird. Good big bird. All right, let's see. Who is who here? This little guy was falling asleep on the water bowl. I think the one in the back here, oh, it's hard to tell in this light. I think the one in the back is winter, and this one is White Christmas? I don't know, but now that I'm watching, no one's probably going to fly. And don't eat my drawstring. Life for the cockatoo. All right, so everybody's taking a little nappy nap. I just brought some more fresh water. There's Mama looking at me. She just had some cuddle bone. Oh, there's Papa. Don't bite me.